In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable the refresh rate on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open Settings, and under Settings, look for the option Developer Options. It's normally underneath About Tablet. If you can't find it, all we need to do is go to About Tablet, then Software Information, and you should tap 7 times on build number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then enter in your PIN, password, or pattern. And when you scroll down on the left panel, developer options has been enabled. So tap on developer options and then look for show refresh rate here. So if it's enabled, you'll notice on your screen these numbers. If you want to turn that off, so go back to settings and then developer options and then look for show refresh rate and turn it off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.